Glamazons, it's me, and this is going to be an unboxing video. But first, I'm going to show you guys my dining room chair cushions. Aren't those beautiful? So yeah, I have brown dining room chairs, and these are the cushions that I put on them. So anyway, John was sweet enough to send me a care package. He does watch my videos, and he heard about what happened to me. So he was nice enough to send me a box, and so we're gonna go through what he sent me, which is so sweet. Thank you, John, if you're watching. So let's just jump into it. John has sent me a jar of Active Track. So it's a step tracker, a pedometer, distance, display, all of that good stuff. So very cool. I'll be using that. Let's see. Aww, that's so sweet. Oh my goodness, 14 karat white gold earrings. Very, very nice. I actually just placed an order with John too, so I'll be getting that package next week. I did order something from Nicole's eBay store as well, and it seems like both of them only have one eBay store now, so I think eBay's been cracking down. You can pretty much only have one store, so they each have one store. John's store is Jewelry Deal Days, and Nicole's store is now just the Cleopatra's Treasure Chest. Let me see, he sent me these hoops, and I see a 925 stamp on these. Let's open that up. Oh, these are gorgeous. Thank you, John. These are beautiful. Can't wait. I might wear those tomorrow. Some more earrings. Aw, Tritone hearts. And if you're interested in any of this stuff, it might be available on his store. I don't know, but check it out. So these are really cute. And these are obviously costume, but they're very, very cute. Tricolor earrings. Beautiful CZ studs in like a rose gold plate. Very beautiful. Aw, a watch. Oh my goodness. I guess John must have heard my story that they stole a watch that you gave me. So, how beautiful. Look at that. This is gorgeous. It looks like it has a mother of pearl face, and it is rose gold with silver. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. I might wear that tomorrow as well. These look like sterling silver. Okay, and it's the kind that's like the stud with the jacket. Very, very cool. This is sparkly. Ooh, this looks like one of those crystal wrap bracelets. Let me open that up. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. And it doesn't feel rough. That's really nice. Let me see if I can get it on. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. That is pretty blingy. Okay, gorgeous. And there's more of those in here. Again, if you're interested in any of this stuff, check his store. I did not pay for this. John sent me this out of the kindness of his heart. Ooh. I guess because he knows I just went through a horrible situation. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. They don't feel rough. This is really, really nice. Oh, look at the end caps there. Wow. Wow, that's something. That is gorgeous. Another one. Ooh, this one reminds me of the New York City skyline. Really, really pretty. Oh, wow, I see the hallmark on those. So these are silver earrings. Beautiful. I still have the bracelet that matches those. Here we have a necklace. This one's in sterling silver. I have this one. It came in one of the mystery boxes that I purchased. This is the one with the infinity symbol. Yep. So now I have 2 of these. Thank you, John. They're gorgeous. Oh, another watch. Let me get that open. Wow, this one's cool. It's on a really skinny band. How pretty. Very classy, very classic. Let me... How pretty is that? So pretty. Thank you, John. I've been wearing the same watch for like weeks. Not all of my watches were stolen, but some of my favorite ones were. And then the rest that have dead batteries or they have like smoke all over them right now. So we have these pretty earrings with the mirror finish. Wow. Look at that. Very, very, very pretty. You can see my boobs in the reflection. Very nice. They're probably just silver plated. I don't know. But they're very nice. Oh, wow. Okay, so these are gold tone hoops. I've had these before from his store. Beautiful. These wear very well and they're nice and heavy. These look like real turquoise. Let's open them up. Those are beautiful. Wow, these are going to go nice with some dresses in the summer. Those are fabulous. Another bracelet. Wow, this looks like magic. Look at that. That looks like magic. And it's like pinky red end caps. Wow, that's gorgeous. These bracelets are gorgeous. Okay, here we have some simulated opal earrings. Those are pretty, very modern looking. Those are gorgeous. Ooh, another bracelet. Another wrap bracelet. Again, go to his eBay store, Jewelry Deal Days, if you're interested in it. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this looks like, it's not real rubies, but it's the color of like the finest ruby. This is freaking gorgeous. Look at that. That is so pretty. I might have to wear this to a charity event I'm going to next month. This is gorgeous. Ooh, let's see what these are. What's these? These are earrings. They're like a morganite color. I don't want to lose them. Ooh. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I was actually going to buy these. Thank you so much, John. These were in my watch list. I was actually going to buy these. These are gorgeous. Thank you. I'm going to enjoy those. very much. Let's see. Beautiful chain. This looks real. Yep, it says 925 Italy on it. Beautiful. Look at the craftsmanship on that. It's about an 18-inch chain. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, John, you are such a sweetheart. Like, like I'm trying not to tear up because this is just so sweet of you to send me a care package. Another necklace. She's a little tangled. Very beautiful. I don't know if it's silver or silver plated, but gorgeous. I'm gonna enjoy that. A lot of my jewelry is still in boxes and bags. So, oh, another pair of sunglasses. Okay. I know these are on his website. They're beautiful cat eye glasses. Sorry, that's a train going by. There's nothing I can do about that. Ooh, another watch. So the train is literally in my backyard. Sorry, guys. Look at that. Look at that watch. Beautiful gold tone watch. Absolutely gorgeous. It's nice and heavy too. John has good watches. I know because I always buy them. What's this? Ooh, look at Charter Club. Okay, isn't that like a Macy's brand? Look at this watch. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. It's like a rose gold color. So gorgeous. Oh my goodness, John, you're gonna make me cry. Thank you. I'm gonna have to call you and say thank you. And is there? I hope I'm not missing anything else in there. But this is in here, the last item. And this, aww, this is actually what was stolen from me. So the people who were supposed to be looking at the damage in my apartment, they stole the watch and the bangles. I guess they thought they were, you know, really expensive. So I still have the stretch bracelets, but aw, that's so sweet. Now I have the set again, so that makes me very happy because I actually did enjoy this watch very much. So awesome. John, you are the best and I really appreciate it. Guys, I will link his store in the information box. I always link it. It's always there. Click that little pull down arrow and it will take you to his store. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I do have a jewelry haul coming up, but I also have a sponsored video from Julie Box, a monthly subscription box coming up. So thank you all so much and have a wonderful day. John, you are a hero. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll talk to you lovely people later. Bye.